Namaste. Myself is Naresh Kumar Marwal from Jyoti Vidyapit Women's University, Jaipur. I am an assistant professor in computer science department. Today's session is based on HTML list. Basically, HTML list is two type of list. You can say ordered list or unordered list. Everybody, if everybody wants to show your data according to listing, according to ascending or descending order, or maybe according to alphabetically, or according to your requirement. There in HTML, we are basically using unordered list as well as ordered list. If I am talking about the ordered list, so ordered list is basically used if you want to show your data according like 1 2 3 4 5 6 like in this format, or maybe ABC DEF in this format. So here I basically use OL tag. Let's see the example. Suppose to I want to create an ordered list. So ordered list, for use ordered list I am using OL tag. This is a opening tag of ordered list, this is a closing tag of ordered list. Now in between the ordered list I want to show some items, list items. So I am using li for showing some list items. Now here I am typing something, product 1, product 2, sorry, okay. Now see actually what happened if I am typing like this. There is 1 2 or 3. This is by default way. If suppose to I want to show this data according to my requirement, like suppose to I want to show data according type equal to 1, type equal to A, like this, then how can I start? For this I need to use its property. Let's see, use style in which use type, sorry, wait a minute, type. There are some options. You want to start with capital A, you want to start with small a, you want to start with 1 or 2 or 3. Let's say if I am starting from small a, what happened? Go and refresh it. This is start from small a, then next is B, then C, then D. If I am supposed to, if I am using capital A, then what happened? Start from capital A, capital B and capital C. If I am using small I, then it is Roman first, second, third. If I am using capital, then, or if I am using 1 2, then. So it means if I want to start my list according to 1 2 3 A B C, small a B C, according to Roman base small I, small first, second, third, fourth. So we have an option, but in an ordered list you can create nested order list also. Let's see how. Suppose to I want to create an ordered list, nested ordered list over here. Then what should I do? I use another OL for creating ordered list. Then do the same thing, creating list item. Let's see actually what happened if I'm doing like this. See this 1 2, this is a part of 2 1 and 2, this is third, this is 3. It means we can create nested ordered list also. If you want to start your ordered list, so as you want to, you can use type over here, you can start according to you. See it. So you have lot of options, by using those options you can create ordered list. Get that point? Now, what about the unordered list? Look, here I am using OL for ordered list. If suppose to I want to use unordered list, then what should I do? Let's see. I need basically two tags. First, if I am creating unordered list, use UL tag. This is opening tag of unordered list. This is closing tag of unordered list. In between opening and closing tag, I need to specify the list item. So I am using li for list items. See what happened. Here I am creating unordered list. Unordered list, it means I don't have any sequence. So if I am talking about unordered list, so there is not possible to give any number. It means you cannot start with 1 2 A B C small capital. You can use Roman numbers, you cannot use Roman numbers, and so many things that show ordering. This is unordered list, so you have symbols. What type of symbols you are using? Basically you can use disk, circle, square, and if you don't want to use any type of symbol, so you can use none. Let's see. This is basically a list item makers. First I am talking about disk. Set the list items maker to a bullet. It means small dots. Small dots only show your, this is your list item, that indicate only that, but it cannot show the sequence. If I am talking about the circle, then it is show only, yes, this is item, but this is not show the sequence of the list items. If I am talking about the square, so it is show only this is item but not the sequence. And last one is none. This is show only this is item but don't show this is show in a sequence or it is a part of any sequence. So these are the basically four types you can use if you show the unordered list, or you can use the unordered list. So how we can use, if you want to use unordered list or you want to change its presentation, you want to change bullet to square or circle. Let's see. First, output of this program, save your program and change it. By default there is, we have seen small dots. Basically this is called the bullet. Small black dots are called the bullets. But if I want to change it into the circle or square, so what should I do? I need to change its property. What? I'll use the style property, in which I am list style type need to be a change. Let's see how. Go on unordered list. Use style tag. What you need to change? You need to change what? List style type. Type over here list style type. I have options, lot of options, not only four, we have lot of options. I'm talking about circle. I want circle, sir. So you can use circle. Let's see, if I'm doing like this, then what happened? Circle, small circles. Get that? If supposed to I am using another thing, that name is square, save it. This is a square form. If I am using disk, this is by default using, this is a disk form, by default use disk. If I'm using something else, like I don't want to use any type of symbol, so I'm using none. So this is unordered list. It means it cannot give any kind of sequence for representing your data, representing your list. You have more options for representing this. Suppose to I want to use this type of symbol, so we can use. So lot of options we have, but now there is possible we can use nested unordered list. If you want to use nested unordered list, this is similar to ordered list. Like use unordered list tag, in between the unordered list tag you use list tagging, and anyone list tagging in which you want to create another unordered list, so you can create it easily. So unordered list, item first, copy, paste, use style for use style for show according to pattern. Let's see what happened. Let's see the output. Get that point? Now we are doing this thing but separate way. If supposed to I want to use unordered list as well as the ordered list, I want to use ordered list in between the unordered list tag. So it is possible, it depends on you, it depends on your requirement. If supposed to I want to use ordered listing in this list item, so what should I do? I am using ordered list tag and create a simple list item. Wait a minute. Use the type according to you as you want to represent your data. Let's see what happens. So you can use both in separate way. If your requirement, you want to use ordered list in between the unordered list tags so you can use it easily. Thank you.